friends. Today we're going to clean the countertop, sink, mirror, tub, floor, and these 3 drawers. What I like to do first is to pick up my surfaces. So I'm going to work on the countertop. And I've got a trash bag right here. Things that don't belong in here, I'm just gonna set on the floor right here, and I'll put them all away at once. Maybe I was blind, known you forever while I tried to find someone that could be my great love. And I always like to have music going or a podcast and something to drink. Usually I have water. This is coconut water. And I was in a routine of every morning I would do a 10-minute wipe down, flush, and pick up in each bathroom. It took about 10 minutes in every bathroom. When I did that, the countertop and everything looked really good. It's been a few days, school's out, since I've done that. But it's my goal this summer, as soon as we all get ready for the day, to do a 10-minute wipe down in all the bathrooms. In front of me, I didn't realize you were my dream, so you took me by surprise. Oh yeah. And like I think I mentioned a minute ago, this will be a wipe down. It's not going to be a deep clean or anything. So I love Windex for the mirror. And scrubbing bubbles for the sink and counter. As you can see, the sink, counter, and mirror looks really nice now. Now I'm going to focus on the tub area and also the floor. Curious, when did you know you had feelings for me? Maybe somehow we've always known that we have chemistry, but always chasing after someone else. Okay, so the only thing I have left is to do the floor. So I'm going to pick everything up off the floor and mop it, and if there's time, I will do these 3 drawers. If not, that'll be another video. So I've got a lot of towels that are dirty just from cleaning. I'm going to wrap these up so they're easy to bring to the laundry room. Got some swimming suits that I know just need to be washed. I want to wash these rugs, so I'm going to just set them on the carpet. So I'm getting this floor ready to mop. It feels so much better just doing what I've done. So if you have little pockets of time, it's better to get a little bit done than to just keep on putting the whole big job off. And you'll find it actually doesn't take very long. So this took me by surprise. Oh yeah. This is
even in my wildest dreams.